the garage, man. Today's video, I did end up getting another package the other day from Amazon. I didn't share it with you guys yet because I wanted to make a video on it, man. So I ordered one of these for myself off of Amazon simply because of the fact that it looks freaking cool. I see a lot of other YouTubers have one of these and I wanted one, bro. Dude, this thing was really cheap. I think it was like, I mean, I don't remember exactly how much I paid. It was under 30 bucks off of Amazon. And, oh, there's a little tube in there. Bow. Okay. All right, go away, go away. It's a foam cannon, bro. You guys watching the other YouTubers, you know, they're washing their car and they got this little thing, it attaches to the pressure washer and it just, and it freaking like, it shoots out so much soap that it like basically turns the car white. I'm hoping this thing works like that because this was it was really cheap, bro. I think it was actually under 20 bucks. I'm gonna look it up and I'll definitely put it on the screen right now, or I'll put it in a link below as well, the Amazon link. Actually, the soap that I bought cost more money than that thing did. This was, I think, $22. Chemical Guys, Maxi Suds, highly concentrated, maximum suds shampoo. Legit the best car wash soap I have ever had in my life, and it most certainly cost me a lot more money than any other. Woo! Man, that really does smell like cherry, bro. That's crazy. That's the reason why I got it, to be honest with you, because it smelled like cherry. Now, before we get started, I've actually got to make a trip to Walmart really quick because my car wash equipment, dude, is nothing more, like the only way to explain it is pathetic. It's flat out pathetic. So I need to go pick up a couple of things. Oh crap, but Hannah's got to go to work right now. So you know what? I always take Hannah to work and I let her drive because she hasn't gotten her actual driver's license yet. She still has her permit. So I try to let her drive every chance that I get. So I'll go ahead and take you guys along with me so you guys can see the progress that she's made, man. She's doing pretty good. Poor abandoned BMW. I literally haven't done anything with this car. It's just been sitting out here getting freaking flooded with rain, dude. That's crazy. Are you ready? Here you go. So it's like you get nervous because I'm recording you.
It always happens.
Oh, you're doing good though. Hey, hey, hey. Look, it's our buddy. Alote man. Dude, they're freaking everywhere around here, bro.
It didn't look like he was enjoying.
What are you doing back there? Huh?
I said it didn't look like he was enjoying his life.
Oh, it's gotta be a miserable job, dude. It has to be. Dang, bro, smooth. Like you've been doing it for years, right?
Yeah, they're...
Gotta get your license soon. Should we record you taking your driver's test?
No, if I can't do this without that, no.
Comment down below if you guys think that we should record her taking her driving test. Oh, okay. She always struggles going up this driveway right here. She's got to mess up right here. Oh, well, okay. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Oh, what is that?
Porsche.
Yeah, fake. It was a fake Porsche kit car.
Good.
Have a good day at work.
Okay.
Love you too. Make a lot of money so you can afford coilovers again. Well, make as much as you can. You gotta get coilovers. Now you're broke. It's all that makeup, you know.
Which is already gone.
Love you, bye. No ding squad. I always go in the Tire Lube Express entrance because everything I need is always back here in the back. Plus I can park where nobody else is around my car. Definitely some of this. Hold that. Bucket. I want one of these guys too. What is this? Good job. Hey, he got 1 out of 3.
Better than nothing.
Success. You guys didn't know, whenever you lock these doors, you turn them to lock and you hold it and it'll roll all your windows up and it'll close your sunroof also. I think that's pretty sick. My BMW actually does the exact same thing, but it doesn't have any windows, so it's useless. But it's time for what I'm excited for. Are you excited for this? Because I am definitely excited for this, bro. All right, so from my understanding, you're supposed to use a very small amount of this soap because as you see here, it says highly concentrated. I honestly think that I use too much. Put a little bit extra, bro, because I want to make sure the suds are real thick and foamy. And I fill the rest up with water from the sink. All right, so here we go. Just blasting all the dust off really quick first. I'm hoping this thing even fits, man. I didn't even check. Oh, shit. Okay. Do it again. It's fucking snowing, bro. That's freaking cool. All right, hang on, let me try. Do it again. Towards the car. Oh, okay, all right. Wow, that is sick.
Smells like cherries.
I say that's a success. Definitely a success. Holy freaking crap, dude. All right, this is freaking sick, bro. This is definitely a lot more than I expected. How's it smell, Braven?
It smells like cherries.
Definitely smells like cherry. Holy crap. But if you guys want to pick one of these up for yourself, I definitely recommend it. They're on Amazon, really cheap, dude. Anywhere from 20 bucks upwards of like $80. I got like the cheapest one that you can get. Actually, I think it was like one notch above the cheapest one that you can get. But it definitely works, dude. Definitely works. Holy freaking crap. So we're gonna go ahead and finish this car wash really quick. But that's not the end of this video, so don't go nowhere. I gotta go over a few things about the Civic before you guys take off. So here are my headlights, and they are just, I mean, they've seen better days, bro. I mentioned in the last video that I want to get new corner lights, and I'm still gonna order some, but I am gonna try to clean these ones up. I'm gonna at least try, you know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna give up on them, but I will say this one looks really good. This one, not so much. It's like a night and day difference, bro. Whenever I got the hatch, it still had the USDM half clear, half amber, and I think those are freaking hideous, bro. Those are the ugliest corner lights I've ever seen. Most certainly has to either be all amber or all clear, but if I were to do the clear, we would have to tint them a little bit like we did the tail lights. This is what I'm talking about. This is basically the same thing I would be doing to the corner lights as well. Every time I say tint a light, man, y'all get all scared like I'm gonna go full-blown ricer on you and just black them all out. That's not what. Smoke them. Smoke the lights. Just a little tint, you know what I'm saying? I think that looks really clean. Whenever you go full black, I don't know, it just looks tacky to me unless the car is all black. Who cares? Anyhow, I want to get these headlights disassembled and I want to clean up the brackets. I need to paint these pieces. I think I'm just going to spray them black, dude. Just to be lazy. I'm not going to paint them the body color because you don't see them. So I just want to spray these black. I want to paint the housing or this bracket black. Thinking about masking off the lens here and actually painting this section black also. I mean, that would look, I think that would look really clean, dude, rather than having this gray. Let me know what you guys think down below. Fill up my super clean jug. I got them all clean and for the most part dry. There's still some water inside, but I gotta tell you, man, I was trying as hard as I can to not do this, but it's gonna happen. It's gonna happen. My OCD, of course, is getting the best of me, and I can't because I genuinely just wanted to do a really quick thing with these headlights. I wasn't even gonna take all this apart, dude. I was gonna mask it off here so no paint goes inside, mask off the glass, and then just kind of spray all this black, you know what I'm saying? Of course I can't do that. It's a freaking, it's a curse, bro. It's just the thing is whenever you do this to your car, all right, you have to commit yourself. I mean, because like literally everything on this car, I mean, you guys have seen it, like every single little thing I have scrubbed and polished or painted or, you know, and I've tried to not cut corners. I mean, I'll be the first to admit that this car most certainly isn't perfect. I know you guys, a lot of you guys won't agree with me. I see flaws here and there, you know what I'm saying? But I've done my best. I really have done my best. The headlights though, because I'm getting off topic, I'm gonna have to take them apart, bro. Like if you look inside, like there's like staining going on in the back. And then also this one. And no, I did not just do that. It was already like that. It was like that before. I remember whenever my car would just sit at idle, that thing would just sit in there like blah, 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 freaking annoying as hell. So I most certainly have to fix that too. Dude, brand new sticker designs all ready to go on the website. I think this is legit my favorite sticker so far, man. It matches the t-shirts. I'm literally sticking them on everything. Dude, I put that on there freaking crooked. It's, yeah, no, yeah, no, yeah, I think it's crooked. It's all right, I got more. I'm sticking them on everything, bro. Bro, grab yourselves a new sticker design, man. Get you 2 entries. 2 entries to win the new DeWalt drill. Brand new 20 volt max lithium ion batteries. It's a combo set, so you get the drill and the impact. And you guys already know, if you guys don't want the drill, or if you guys have an EF, you can obviously pick the dimpled radiator support and the aluminum drag wing. Both custom fabricated by me, but if you guys don't have an EF and those parts are completely useless to you, I completely understand, and you can go for the DeWalt drill set. Every $5 that you spend gets you 1 entry. So if you're to buy a sticker, that's 2 entries, bro. That's 2 entries. You're already off to a really good start. Alright guys, well what can I say, man? I let my OCD get the best of me, and this is what I ended up with. Oh, Jesus. Look at the inside of that. That is so freaking disgusting, man. I am glad that I cracked these things open. And I did it without breaking a lens. But you know what? I figured why not do a full tutorial on this, because I know that there's a lot of you guys out there that got some pretty disgusting ass headlights just like this. So I'm gonna do a step-by-step full full tutorial on how to restore your EF headlights from the inside out, bro. We're not just polishing lenses here. That video is coming up next, man. Keep an eye out for it. I'm not gonna lie, I'm actually already halfway done with it, so I'm hoping to have it up by Friday. But peace out, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to grab some merch. And another thing, if you consider yourself part of the DB fam, hit the like button for me. Please, guys, hit the like button. It helps out tremendously, dude. Peace.